Hey, what's up, guys? Mark with Soft Wash Innovations, and today we want to show you a upgraded version of our PRO-300. This version has a chemical wand holder on it. It's a 4-inch tube. You can put your chemical wand on there. Um, Also has a power switch on the front with a red cover, as you can see right there. And it also is foolproof, so that in case somebody hits it, it doesn't kick on and leave the pump running, okay? So that cover can flip down and shut the whole thing off. And that red cover keeps the switch protected, like I said. You get your J-rod holder there, all your tips on there. We tweaked out the system a little bit, and we're getting 40 foot of range on a 0 degree nozzle there. 7 gallon a minute pump on this bad boy. You got 300 foot of hose on there. You got a ball valve chemical wand on there. I prefer those over the other ones on the market. Also got your 1/2 inch hose. We're not using 3/8 or smaller hose. We're using 1/2 inch. Using upgraded ball valve on here. You got a banjo 3-way ball valve going on there. Industrial ball valve. That way you can clean your system when you're done. You got your chemical hose. And then you got your water hose right there. You got a full-size marine battery box on there. Okay, no car battery, full-size marine battery. You got your full-size clips on here. So when you put your battery in there, you just put on your jumper cables on there. Guarantee you to get a bite on that battery. All the wires are wrapped up nice and neat on the back side, tucked in nice and pretty. All high-end parts on this. This unit is going for right now $24.50. This unit right here. The other version is $2,400. The difference is the switch on the front and the actual tube on the side here to hold your chemical wand. Okay, so if you're interested, it's a nice piece of equipment. It'll last you a long time. It does really good. We use this on literally all the trailers down here. You've seen it in action before. It's finely tuned. You get barely no runoff on roofs. And on top of that, I'm going to give you the 6 months of tech support. So if you got to figure out some pricing, no big deal. You got questions about mix ratios, no big deal. You want parts, or you want to modify this thing yourself, or you want to put it on a trailer and blah blah whatever, hey, no big deal. Just give me a holler, help you out. But the price is, like I said, this one is $24.50. The other version is $2,400. It is $299 to ship because it's got to go on a pallet. It's big. It's not a small machine. It's fairly big, so it's got to go on a pallet, and that's obviously expensive. It's not cheap. It's $299 pretty much to any state in the United States. Canada, you guys, I got a few calls from you guys. Those are going to be a little bit higher out that way, okay? So I don't know exact price. From when the guy was telling me a close estimate, they're wanting literally like $380, okay? So that's, I can't confirm that because the guy was just giving me a ballpark figure, but that's a price I'd go out to Canada. Anyway, you see what's going on there, 561-907-9541. What's the benefits to having this soft wash system? Well, it cleans faster. Your clean is going to last longer. You can do roofs with it. You can do pre-treat your concrete with it. You can do house washes with it. And how far will it go? Like I said, the better the battery, then the more you can do. If you want to put 2 batteries on there, then you can go for a longer run time. Right now on this one, you can clean 2 roofs, maybe 3. Maybe 2,400 square foot. 3,000 a piece. Maybe you can squeeze those in, 3 of those, plus a little bit of concrete pre-treat. What else we got going on here? How many? The hose, 300 foot, like I said before, 7 gallon minute pump. The weight of this thing, I think it's around 87 to 95 pounds, so it's not light. It's got a real rugged frame on it, upgraded the frame. What else we got going on there? Pretty much it's all upgraded. We took basic system and modified it and came out with a better product. So this is this is a nice product for you guys. If you want to get in touch with me, 561-907-9541. As for order times, well, that kind of differs because Titan, they say that they make the reels as soon as I order them, which I have no idea if that's true or not, but they could be, maybe a week out to get the part. So we have another version of this unit here that comes with the Pro Proportioner, which we're building next. You guys are going to like that. And that Pro Proportioner is actually, they have a hard time keeping those in stock too. So that could be like another week and a half out. So basically, when you need a full down payment on these packages to get it started, and because I got to collect the parts, put it all together, so it's a full down payment. Once the payment is received and it clears, we start the building process and the build process. As long as I can get all the parts right away, it takes about 5 to 10 days to complete one of these, because we take our time, we test it out, we leak check it, to make sure that when you get this product, there's no issues whatsoever. These products have been fully tested before they leave, and they get to you. So I know for a fact when you get it, it runs good. We put some test time in on it, we run it, we check it, and not just a quick squirt either. We get 15-20 minutes into it, so it's a good little test and tune to make sure when you get your product, it's going to run good. It's not going to be a guesstimate like some other companies just slap them together and send it to you and hope it works. But that's where we stand right there. How long does the pump last? Well, these pumps, as you wash them out, they can last you 8 months, maybe a year. I've dragged them out for a whole entire year. But basically you put away $1.25 a roof. By the time you get to that point, you'll be able to afford a new pump. I mean, basically, this rig pays for itself. Everybody says, "Oh, it's expensive." It's not expensive. It's really not. If you're charging regular rates on your houses and you're making as much as everybody says they're making, then you could pay this off in literally four house washes, 3, 4, maybe 5 house washes, maybe 5 roofs. This unit is totally paid for. It makes money. I guarantee it. You gotta. That's why I gave you the 6-month warranty. If you want to know how to wash these houses and the process, the quickest way, the easiest way, and I'm here to help you out. That's why I offer you the 6 month of tech support. So that right there is $1,000 value right there alone. Okay, check around on the prices. You'll see that training is soft wash training is not cheap. Okay, and especially when you got somebody that will actually give you 24/7 6 months of tech support. You can call and whatever you need, I'm here to help you guys out. See, I'm here to succeed, and the only way I succeed is if you guys succeed. So let's give it a shot and see what happens. I'm here to make money, and so are you. Y'all have a good one.